Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Lucy Kageni. If you're returning, thank you. I appreciate your support. Continue subscribing, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe, comment, share, and hit the notification bell. Well, today I'm unboxing some few items. First, I got this beautiful pack from a certain supermarket. It's guess in kata yam or something, I don't know. And then I have this small knife for fruits. Then we have the kitchen scissors. I don't know this part inatumika kufanya nini. I'll still find out. I have the file, the knife, and then the chopping board. One thing I love about this thing is the plastic part. Haitaingia maji ifure kama hizo zingine. So it's a really nice chopping board. And then the next thing that I got is this beautiful toaster. It's a 2 slice. Manisha tu ina toast 2 slices of bread. I really wished to get the 4 slices, but economy ni nani. So I got this. So we are going to I'm going to unbox with you. And the knife is really sharp. There's the receipt. And I guess there's the warranty certificate. So in case of anything, you can return it to where I got it from and watengeneze. So the next step is I'm going to show on how you use the toaster after you get it from the shops or the store. So first thing, I'll plug it to the socket. And yes, on this side, we have this lever, and then you have this browning button. So what you do when you get it first, some part of it is gonna grease. So before you even toast your bread, what you do, you pull the lever up to the down, itashikilia yenyewe usikie. And then this knob is to ni ya kupimia moto yenye unataka wewe mwenyewe. You can put it at it's from 1 to 7. So the first thing you do first, unaiweka to 7 at least for a minute, and then inatoa some sort of smoke and fugu. Haipendezi that grease for 1 minute. Then after that you can toast your bread. So after 1 minute, I cancel, and the lever pulls up. So, and then we have another thing which is down here to correct the mkate toast mkate inatoa some crumbs. So iko hapa, zitakusanyika hapa, unatoa, unamwaga, unapanguza, and then you return it here. So that is it. We are going to test our toaster with maybe 2 slices of bread. Tuone kama inafanya kazi. so I usually don't use the first. Nimezoea tu. So unaekelea mkate yako hivyo, and then you pull the lever downwards. Alafu mimi nitaweka moto yangu ikuwe in 2, then ikitoast yenyewe itapop juu. So we wait and wait and wait till imalize. So as we wait, I would like to say thank you so much for 400 subscribers. Tufike 1000 by the end of this month. Please share my channel. Make sure you watch my content. I will be doing more and more recipes, more and more of maybe some plugs, and yeah, we keep going. So tunangoja. I think I should have timed nione inachukua how many minutes, but I'll do that in the next video. Yeah, our bread is ready. So kutoka hapo ni moto, be careful usichomeke. So this is how my toast looks like. Ukitaka ikuwe brown kabisa, you just unaongeza tu, unaweka maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 hivyo, lakini uchunge isiungue. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.